Hi, we're Josh and Kasha, and we're here to share with you some of our adventures from around the world. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So you join us all today. We've come to Harrogate to come and have a look for some cherry blossom, as you can see behind us.
Yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures and record some reels, hopefully. I got some ideas, but I just didn't have time to do them so far, so today we should have a nice background.
Yep, and then once we've walked around, it's called the Strays in Harrogate. We're gonna go for a walk around the town, possibly the town, and then the surrounding areas. We've got a few places marked off that we want to go look at. So yeah,
Yes.
A local adventure today.
Yeah,
Come see.
follow with us.
Just see how beautiful these cherry blossom tunnels are that they've got here. So bright and pink, beautiful. What do you think, Mishu?
Super gorgeous, they're just killing me with my hay fever. Well, yeah, it looks amazing. It's quite busy, everyone comes to take some pictures and record for Instagram and stuff. People are even dressed up in the nice dresses. Well, I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
I probably, if it would be warm, I had a nice white dress as well. But it's freezing.
It's a really nice thing to have in the UK as well. Not many places have got anything like this at all.
It's just nice that people just come in to see nature, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not just, they just appreciate what's around them. That's why I actually like that it's busy in here.
You've got all the daffodils as well here.
Yeah.
So we're going to go find somewhere to have a bit of a pastry or a coffee now. I think you've found somewhere that does some award-winning pastries.
I'm just not sure if it's in Yorkshire or in the whole UK. I don't know, I'll send you the reel. I forgot already. But yeah, we're gonna check this place out, I think.
Yeah.
Sorry for my voice. Oh, I'm really dying here.
So yeah, we're gonna go for a wander and see what we can find. And then we'll bring you back.
Branches. Hej kochanie. What do you think? Good?
Really good.
Was it worth the price?
I think so.
You think so? I will have a look in the minute. Very good. Don't be shy.
So we've just come out of Baltiseren or something like that.
I
Can't
wondered
pronounce
if
it.
you remembered how it's called.
It's like Swedish bakery. We both had almond pan au chocolats. I had a chocolate cacio de cappuccino, and it was nearly 18 quid. But the pastry was unreal.
Oh yeah, it was the best I think we both ever had. And bear in mind we both been to France and had pastry there, so that even
Unreal.
one.
So anybody coming here and you can't be bothered going to Costa or Starbucks, go try that.
Oh, and the coffee wasn't burnt as well, because in Costa recently they're doing horrible coffee. Even though I do love Costa, but they always burn milk, not the coffee.
Yeah, so I'll put the name in the video and go check it out. We're off back to the car now. Moving to the next place to go see. So guys,
Hi.
we've come to a place called Brimham Rocks. Not 100% too sure much about it, apart from there's some cool rock formations. So we've paid the parking. National, is it? Yeah, National Trust. Is it NHS? I don't know. That's not it.
No,
But, yeah.
National Trust.
Yeah, National Trust parking, so £6.50 for 4 hours.
Robin.
Not great. Bit expensive. But yeah.
And especially is the 10 pence fee.
Yeah,
when you book,
if you pay on your phone on the website, there's an extra 10p service charge, which, why?
Yeah.
But yeah, there's a cafe, so we're just going to go use the toilets and then we're going to go for an explore.
Yay! Hi,
Hey,
how are you doing?
are you liking the rocks?
I do. It's interesting. I just read that it was created by the river I don't know how many million years ago, but even before dinosaurs were here. Well, a step on the earth.
You can see on the board these little pictures of the rocks. We're currently here at the visitor centre, and we're going to take this orange route around along this red route and then join onto this purple route round the back and then do a big loop back round to basically where we are now and then back down. So, yeah. You ready, Mishu? Dobrze, let's
I
go.
just wanted to yawn.
Yawn.
Yeah. No, you just
If anyone
stopped me
can't see,
there.
I'm just trying to tease her into
Pardon.
yawning. Let's go.
I'm alright now.
Don't quite know if the camera's picking it up, but just where the end of my finger is, there's some like big radar balls. Don't know if it's RAF or what. Yeah. Got all the cool rock features here.
Oh wow.
Look at it, this rock. Literally just holding on by this little stump underneath. That final destination going under there. Brightening up. All this massive rock is just stood on that tiny little bit. We'll stand next to it. And then we can see how, just to give it some scale. Yeah. Massive, massive rock. Just stood on that little bit. See how water were like rubbing against the rock underneath there.
Yeah.
Sort of see how it was like swirling around. And just rubbing it down. Crazy.
Actually, it looks like someone just put it on top.
Yeah. We're so high up as well nowadays. Mad to think there was like a big river running around here.
Like how high it had to be as well.
Yeah. Yeah, we'd be like at the bottom of the waterbed here. And you can see here where all water's rubbed away at the bottom. Crazy.
Must have been like up
Yeah.
there as well.
I'm gonna follow the path. I think it's that way or that way. I've got no idea. Oh, that way. Ready?
Yeah, really recording.
Very good.
That's my
Yeah.
part of the job.
Check us out on Instagram, guys. jkt.travels. You'll get to see all of Kasha's nice reels that she does and posts.
That's it. Trying. We
Alright.
actually meant to record some today and we forgot about one already. Or maybe we'll record this one part over here.
How are you doing so far?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Allergies getting me,
Oh, we're going
so I can't breathe.
somewhere over there next. Ready?
Where?
Huh?
Where are we going?
Over there somewhere.
Why you brought me here then? Wasting my energy.
Mushroom rock.
Lovely.
Following the path. Like we're in the middle of nowhere, Mish.
I'm recording as well.
Right. In the middle of this moorland. And this is
They're
like the
looking
little
like
path.
lost ships. Only two of us.
This little like goat path snaking through. And that's the view. Like a tornado, this one.
Can you see that the tree is growing there?
Oh yeah.
That's interesting.
Go explore inside. Yorkshire's mini Grand Canyon.
English Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
I didn't expect this wind. Don't be recording me now.
Wow.
My body's undone? No.
No.
I found my laces were undone.
All good?
I'm good. Still alive.
Duck around some trees here.
Aye.
Surprised how sandy it is here. Well, I suppose if it like old riverbed, it will be, won't it?
Mm-hmm.
Dober kurwa. Climbers.
Hi.
We ready for the car?
Oh yeah. I'm ready for a nice warm drink as well.
So guys, we're going to sign this video off here. You know what to do. If you like this video, like, subscribe, leave us a comment, let us know if you've ever been here, if you've seen the cherry blossom in Harrogate before, if you even like Harrogate, because it's a bit of a Marmite place, it's Harrogate. Some people love it, some people hate it.
Yeah, we've seen nice house as well.
Yeah, we did a bit of house shopping while we were there. Not quite in the budget at 2 million, so for just a
5-bedroom house.
It was a 5-bed, 5-bathroom detached, but still 2 million for Harrogate is a bit much. So yeah, that won't be for us.
No.
So yeah, join us next time. Bye for now.
Bye.